Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'll guide you through setting up your own Taiko node on the Alpha-6 testnet, also known as Katla. Whether you're here for a potential airdrop or to contribute to the Ethereum ecosystem, you're in the right place. A brief on Taiko. It's a ZK rollup VM enhancing Ethereum's scalability by speeding up transactions and reducing fees without significant changes to existing Ethereum apps. It's an open source project focused on decentralization, security, and fairness, powered by community strength. They've raised 22 million and are currently in phase 6 of their incentivized testnet. Before we start, note that this guide is also available in English on Medium, link in description. For node specs, you'll need 4 CPUs, 6 GB of RAM, and sufficient data storage. I've opted for a Contabo VPS3, meeting these requirements. If you're unsure how to order and configure your server for this node, check out my previous tutorial through this link, a step-by-step YouTube guide on setting up a Contabo server. I recommend creating a dedicated Taiko Metamask account, as you'll need to provide the private key during setup. Also, add the Alpha-6 testnet to your wallet using Chainlist, then fund it using the Holesky faucet link provided. This will be essential for completing the node setup. First, update your system and ensure Docker is installed, since it's crucial for running the node. If not installed, execute the provided command. Also, install Git and Screen to facilitate background node operation. I begin a screen session and clone the Taiko project from GitHub. Navigate to the project directory and copy the environment variable file. You'll need to modify this file, adjusting parameters like L1P, HTTP, and WSS URLs using values from block P, enabling the proposer, and inserting your Metamask private key. Adjust the blog proposal frequency and the URL as instructed in the tutorial. After configuring the file, save and exit. Now you're ready to launch the node with the provided command. Monitor the logs for errors. A lack of red messages indicates a successful start. Use Grafana to visualize your server's status, replacing the server IP in the URL with yours to access it. Once fully synchronized, indicated by a stable curve on the Grafana chart, you can exit the terminal. To revisit, use the screen command. Conclude by stopping mining on the faucet site, claiming rewards, and ensuring they appear in your Metamask wallet by checking the transaction status. Congratulations, your Taiko node is now set up on the Alpha-6 testnet. For updates and support, visit Taiko's Discord and Twitter. Feel free to reach out on my Discord or social media for technical questions. I hope this guide was helpful, and I look forward to bringing you more tutorials soon.